Hey everybody, it's Mark Saunders with Saunders Realty, and Merry Christmas. This is our December newsletter video. I wanted to give you a quick update. So you probably got an email if you're one of our tenants or one of our rental owners about a survey that we were conducting just to kind of see how we were doing. Well, I'm happy to say on the tenant side of things, we got 73 responses back. But out of all the tenants we asked on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rank us? How do you think that we're doing? 47.9% gave us a 10, which we are extremely happy with. The tenants that gave us between an 8 and a 10 was 86%. So thank you so much for that. Obviously, a little bit we can work on there, but great response. One of the best ways to keep your tenants in your property longer is to make sure we address their maintenance issues as fast as possible. One of the questions we asked was how easy was it to get in touch with somebody at Saunders Realty? 70% gave us a 10. So that means we're doing very good at following up. Tenants between an 8 and a 10 on a scale from 1 to 10, 94.5% gave us between an 8 and a 10. So it shows we're doing really well at following up on any maintenance issues. Then another question that we asked, would you give us a 5-star review online? 79.5% of the tenants that responded said they would give us a 5-star review. Now, we're really not going to be happy until that's 100% across the board. So we're working on that, but very happy to get 80%. And probably the most important question that I asked, we asked the tenants, would you recommend us to your friends and family? 54.8% gave us a 10, saying absolutely. 86, right at 87% gave us an 8 to a 10, which basically means they would recommend us to their friends and family. So very proud of the team. It's great efforts that we're putting in. Thank you so much. If you filled out a survey for us, gave us some feedback, we're always looking for ways to improve. And we got some ground to get better, but overall very happy with how everything turned out. And so I want to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you have a great holiday. Thanks.